What's up, Foxes? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get into this salmon and roasted broccoli recipe, and this recipe is inspired by Shanice Alisha. Yes, make sure you check out her channel. She has a segment called Good Eats with Shanice, and I just had to try this recipe, sis. Alright, so these ingredients are pretty much what you will need. I'm going to put them all in the description box below, and it's also going to be listed throughout the video. So start by grabbing your Pyrex dish, and you're going to start with the fresh broccoli, and you can find it at your local grocery store in the produce section. Don't use frozen broccoli because it's not going to give you the same effects. Let's use fresh broccoli, sis. Now right here I'm placing just butter on top, and the butter is going to make sure that your broccoli is not dry. It's going to be very, very flavorful. It won't be dry. And then you're going to add some EVOO or extra virgin olive oil and drizzle that on top. Alright, so after you rinse off your Atlantic salmon, you're going to place it on top of the broccoli. Drizzle some more EVOO. Make sure the salmon is very moist. You don't want it to be dry or overcooked. And then here, this is a Sazon seasoning. And this is my first time trying this. It's pretty much like a Hispanic seasoning salt, and it's really good. It's much lighter than the Lawry's seasoning salt, and I really did like it, so I think you should try it. This is lemon pepper seasoning. I'm not using fresh lemons because I forgot to grab one from the grocery store. So you can also substitute fresh lemon for lemon pepper seasoning, and also make sure that you're using black pepper. I like to use, I guess, like a good amount because I like for my salmon to be a little spicy or to have that burst of pepper. So here I'm just using some roasted herbs. You can also find that in the produce section. It's parsley and I want to say thyme. Yeah, it's parsley and thyme. So cut that up. Add some more seasoning if you'd like. And here I'm just drizzling some more olive oil so that my salmon can be nice and moist. And then here just add the herbs on top. I really feel like I'm a chef today. Like, I'm really using fresh herb. So this is my absolute favorite part. This is the lemon butter dill sauce that I'm going to drizzle on top. And this is going to give it that bomb flavor that you're looking for. It's going to make it look nice and fancy. So if you're trying to impress your boo girl, this is what you need. So it looks like you're a gourmet chef. Lemon butter dill. And you can also find it at your local grocery store in the seafood section. Like I mentioned before, I like pepper, so I'm just adding a little bit more on top of that lemon dill sauce. And this is how it's going to look before you put it in the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 400, and I'm going to bake mine for about 45 minutes to an hour because I like for my salmon to be well. That's why I made sure that I added enough EVOO so it won't be dry, since it's going to be in the oven for a little bit longer than normal time. So this is how it looks at the end. It came out really, really well. Thank you so much, Shanice, for this recipe. I really, really did enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Thank you for watching.